Welcome to this beginner's guide on getting started with the WordPress dashboard. If you are new to WordPress and want to understand how everything works inside the admin area, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the basic step by step without coding. Welcome back. Assume that you have a hosted website already and you have installed your WordPress already. If you have not hosted your website or you have not installed this, don't worry. There is video already published on this channel that will guide you step by step on how you can host your website for free. Also, how you can install your WordPress. All right, it's already posted on this channel, so go through this channel and you will see the video to watch. In case you are asking yourself, what is WordPress dashboard? The WordPress dashboard is the main control panel of your website. It is where your website is being controlled. This is where you create blog posts and pages, upload and customize your website designs. You can access the dashboard by typing your website address. So without wasting too much of our time, we are going to dive into the main tutorial by showing you step by step how WordPress dashboard is all about. Then open your web browser, the username which you already selected before you install your WordPress. If you have not gotten to this point, go back to the previous video. You will see how to install WordPress on your website. All right, then after doing that, you click on login. By putting your username and password, you will log in. Then this is the dashboard of WordPress. Okay, if you launch your WordPress dashboard new, this is how it looks like. Okay, now we are going to look into all these menus. All these things you are seeing is called menu. All right, it's called menu. Then you will be asking yourself, what is this post? What is this post all about? You might be asking yourself that what this post is all about. These posts allow you to create something. All right, posts and pages. Posts and pages are where you create your content. You create your content here. For example, if you want to create a content, you click on add post. Okay, if you click on add post, it will allow you to create a content. Okay, then it will allow you to create a content like the way you want to write a blog post. Okay, so you want to write a blog post, you can then go ahead to click here, or let's just cancel this. Then you give your blog post a title. All right, so that is the work of post. Okay, then under this place that is called pages. Pages is where you create your post. Okay, make your design where you have home. Okay, you have home, you have contact, and you have about, you have services. That is where you create your pages. So to create your pages, you click on add page. So if you click on add page, you can be able to give your page a title. For example, you give your page a home title. All right, so once you give it a home title, then you then go ahead to click on publish. All right, so home title is something like this. I will show you. Home title is something like this. Okay, this is home. Home is when someone visits your website. The first screen that will appear on your website is called home. As you can see here, this is the first content and the first post that appear on your website is called home. Then this is how you can create it. This thing you are seeing here, this home, this is where you create it by clicking on pages. All right, if you click on page, you can be able to add new page. Comment is where you moderate people that commented on your post. Like this is sample. This is one comment. As you can see, you can approve this comment or delete it, or you can unapprove it. All right. Appearance is where you select theme for your project, for your website. So this theme is something that's a shape that holds your website. It's like a structure that holds your website. Plugins are the things that add features to your website. If you have not understand what is appearance, appearance allows you to change themes and customize your site design. That is what this appearance is all about. Why plugins helps you to add new features. All right, it helps you to add new features. The new features, like someone that is not familiar with coding, there is no how you can code this. But if you are familiar with coding, you can code this particular thing without using plugins. All right, so to enable this kind of thing to display on your website without adding any atom of coding, you are going to use a plugin that will help you to display this time that you cannot use code to apply, that you cannot apply with code. Then the plugin will be the one to help you to do this. Likewise, this particular one, if you cannot code this, the plugin will enable you to do it. All right. Now the next thing is the settings. Okay, the settings control your website. Okay, it controls how your website work. By if you go to general, then you can be able to put the title of your website. Like the title of this website is WordPress class. All right, so this is the title of the website. Then it will, you can, from settings, you can be able to put the title of your website. Have you seen the title have changed from here? Before it was not like this. Now we put this name here, it have changed. You can put it, if you put it like .com, if you check here, it have changed. Okay, the title have changed. You can remove it, you can add anything. Okay, the title of the website, you can, as you can see here, there is nothing here. Okay, this is the initial one. Then you can change the name. Okay, WordPress class. Okay, this is the title here. Then this tagline is like few words that's similar to the title. Okay, now you want to put an icon to your website. This is where you are going to put the icon. Icon is something that on web browser the image will display, the icon will display showing the head of your website. For example, this is WordPress. Have you seen the icon here? This particular one is the icon of WordPress. If you check this one here now, if you check this one, this is the icon of this website. So to add this particular icon here, you need to click on this place to add the icon. Okay, then you cannot change this one, you cannot change this one. Then the email address is the admin email. The admin email, the email that the person that is controlling the website will be able to be receiving messages from the website. People to register to your website, like when they visit your website, they can be able to register by filling forms and others, then register. Then you now need to tick on this to make it anyone can register. If it's a membership website you are working on, then you can tick on this so that anyone that visits your website can be able to register. Then on this place, how do you want anybody that register on your website? How do you want the person, what role do you want the person to perform on the website? How do you want the person to be in your website? Do you want the person to be just a subscriber? Then you need to select a subscriber. Then if you want the person to be a contributor, then you select contributor. If you want the person to be an author, editor, or administrator, then you choose it. Anyhow you want anyone that register on your website to be, that is the functions of the person, what you want the person to represent on your website, you are going to select it here. Remember, administrator is someone that is in charge of this website, that can remove something add something, make any changes, implement something, remove someone, delete the website. Okay, that is the work of this administrator. Then editor is someone that can have a similar duty to administrator. The functionality of editor is similar to administrator. The editor can change some content, all right, but not much strong to like administrator. Okay, why author is someone that can have access to edit or delete the post that you have on your website. Then the contributor is someone that the person will not have access the same way administrator has, editor has, and the author has. It's just similar to author. While subscriber has no any business to the website. The person is just a member to the website. All right. Then coming to site language, you can select any language of your choice from this place. If you don't understand English, you can select your language here. If you understand Arabic, then you select Arabic. When you select Arabic, anyone that is visiting the website, everything will change to Arabic. When you are working on the website, it will be Arabic. All right. Then if you choose English, then everything on the website will be English. Then when someone visits it, everything will appear in English. Then you can select your time zone depending where you are working or where you reside. You can select your time zone here. Then you can also select or make changes to the date format. All right. This is January date format. If you want it to be writing the month in full and the day in full and the year, then you select. If you want it to just write 2026 and if you want it to write it in this format, it depends on you. Then you have to select. All right. Then time format. If you want it to write like this, then you select. If you want it like this, you select. If you want it to write in this format, you select. If you have a custom way of writing it, then you select. Then under week start, if you want your week to start from Sunday, you select Sunday. If you want your week to start from Monday, you select, depending on how you want it. After making all these changes, you go ahead and click on Save Changes. Make sure you click on Save Changes before you leave this particular page. After writing, you don't need to do anything on this area. Then you move over to reading. Then this reading, you make sure that you remove it from your latest post to a static page. Okay, a static page, when you put it under a static page, it will not be able to show when you put it under static page. But before then, you make sure that you have pages already. If you have pages already, you select static page, then you click here, you select your home page, then you click here, you select your blog page. That is what we are going to do on this area. Remove it from this your latest post to a static page. Once you put it under static page, then you make sure you click Save Changes. Okay, then the area that you need to consider again is is under this particular permalink. Okay, this permalink you make sure is under post name. Yes, you make sure it's under post name. Okay, under post name will allow you to get it to have your post name like this. For example, if you click on digital ski, you will see the title of your website. Okay, I think let's use this one so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, then you see this particular one here. If you click on about, okay, now check the URL here. You see the name of the website, then you see the particular page that we click. Have you seen it? When you click on these services, when you click on the services, then you first see the title of the website, then the name of that particular page that you clicked. Okay, so That is what this particular one is. If you put it like this, have you seen it? It will appear like this. It will appear like this. Okay, you will not see number on the URL. You will not see anything like number on the URL. But if you select plain or these ones, you are going to see number, and it doesn't make sense. Okay, after making all these changes, you click on save changes. All right, then you can go on and click or make some settings on privacy. Okay, all right, so the privacy is already there. You can choose something here. You can choose any other privacy the way you want it, but it's okay like this. You don't need to do anything. So after that, you will now go ahead and start working on your project. Okay, then all these things, you make sure you remove all these things. All these things are not really necessary. You clean up your website, your WordPress dashboard, you make everything look neat. All right, so this is how you can access the WordPress dashboard and start using the WordPress dashboard without any fear, without engaging yourself in coding. And anyone can do this without wasting too much time. Make sure you watch my previous video, how to host your website for free and how to install your WordPress. All right, so if you don't know how to host your website, the video, the guideline is already in this channel. If you don't know how to install your WordPress, the video and the guideline is already in this channel. So make sure you watch those videos so that you can be able to know how we arrived to this place. So in my next video, I'll show you how to install theme, and I'll also show you the best theme to use, best theme that allow you to make customization without stressing yourself. In my next video, I will show you step by step how you can achieve it. So if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, we always publish on our website. All right, some of the things we publish on our website might be interesting, because if you are not good in following the video, you can as well follow it up through the text. If you are not good in watching the video, you can as well use our website here to read this step by step on how you can do the same thing that you are seeing on this channel. All right, so subscribe to this channel and subscribe to our website. Always visit our website. Drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, leave the question in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.